Hi again, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay, it is journal time. So I need you to get out your October journal, a pencil, and your crayons. Okay, crayons, pencil, October journal. Okay, let Mrs. Hensley show you her October journal. I finished coloring it. So you see I have the date. I wrote I can jump rope, and I drew myself jumping rope, didn't I? Okay, and I made a tree and a sun and clouds, and I colored the sky and the grass and drew myself. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, you're going to your next available page. And you're writing the date. I've written the date right there for you. Mrs. Hensley is going to abbreviate October today. October 14th, 2020. If you need to push pause to get your October journal, you may do so, okay? Or push pause to write your date, okay? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go on. So Mrs. Hensley is going to write right here because it's bigger and you can see it. Let's see. Oh, I know what I'm going to say. I think I am going to say, let's see. Maybe I'll say my. I'm going to say my this time. Okay, I'm starting the sentence, so my first letter in a sentence has to be uppercase. So I'm making an uppercase M. Okay, so my is a sight word, so Mrs. Hensley is going to spell it correctly. Oh, Mrs. Hensley, you can't see it because there we go, my. Then you can't see the rest of it, can you? Let me see if I turn off a light, if you can see it better. There is a glare. So we'll see if we turn the light off, but I might be too dark, so we might have to turn it back on. Oh, perfect. Okay, so there we go. My two finger space, friend, F, R, friend, N, my friend, oh, D, my friend, two finger spaces, likes, L, I, like, oh, it's a K, likes, oh, two finger spaces, two is a sight word, so Mrs. Hensley's going to write the sight word. My friend likes to, ooh, this one's fun, climb, climb, climb trees, T, ease. And that's the end of my sentence, so I need to put my ending mark, which is a period at the end of my sentence. So my friend likes to climb trees. So I'm going to write that here in my journal. Okay, I wrote with pencil like Mrs. Hensley asks you to do. Now Mrs. Hensley can draw her picture. What do you think my picture is going to be of? Probably my friend climbing a tree, right? Because that's what I wrote about. Okay, so she's going to be climbing a tree. Erase, make a mistake. You can't make anything, can you? If you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything. Now remember, Mrs. Hensley is not what? An artist. That we will leave that up to Mrs. Scott. Okay? Mrs. Hensley is not an artist. Okay, I've got my friend trying to climb the tree. What else do you think I should put in the background? I'm gonna put a sun. And I'm going to put some grass. And that's all. Okay? And if I wanted to put myself in there, I could. Okay? Then it's time for Mrs. Hensley to color. So I have my date written in pencil. I have my friend likes to climb trees. Now, is it safe to climb trees? Not really. And at school, you cannot climb trees, okay? So it's not safe. You could fall and break an arm or a leg or something. So it's not really safe. But my friend likes to climb trees. She's crazy. Okay, and then I drew my picture with pencil, and I will color my picture with crayons, okay? So I want you to finish in your journal, begin your journal. Mrs. Hensley is not going to color her journal right now. I will color it and show it to you the next time we do journals, okay? Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. If I don't talk to you soon, happy fall break, and I will see you on Monday, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.